and EV chargers being installed, right? EV chargers can take a lot of power and and very high power, right, in a short period of time that usually require the building to upgrade its transformer, right? If you
Right.
want kind of install more EV charger,
Yeah.
your building is typically, unless it's a new building, right? Typically the the service utilities transformer is not sufficient enough for you to support that many EV,
Right.
taking limitation on that. And even we're seeing, car dealership, they are selling EVs. They have to install the EV chargers, but the utility, I guess the meter and as well as the the transformer is not sufficient. If they want to go to, upgrade that transformer, get a permit, from the utility and get it done, get it upgraded, it's gonna take a long time.
Right.
But one way is you can install a battery, install PV, so you can have your energy localized for those EV chargers, right? For example, you can use a battery store excess power from the PV, and then if you have a lot of EVs getting plugged into the charger, and I guess
You can wire the chargers directly to the battery, like a DC to DC fast
um,
charger kind of situation.
well, you can, but we are doing as AC couple, which I guess is more convenient for installation and
Yeah.
upgrades. Yeah,
Right.
and reaching feeding. So you can
But you
use
can
it as the energy the
Yeah.
same. Yeah.
And you can still wire the EV charger directly to the box without needing to upgrade the transformer,
Right,
basically.
right. So you can I guess defer the needs for upgrading the transformer and still have the EV chargers installed
Right.
and get rid of demand charge, right? Otherwise,
Yeah.
if you have the EV getting up, I guess the peak power will be pretty high and definitely give you a huge bill in the demand charge, especially from CNI.
Yeah.
So the CNI storage can really play a good role in that, I would say, with the
Right.
EV train. Yeah.
So what are some of the most common CNI project application types that you're seeing in the market these days in
Well,
2025,
yeah. The
2024,
EV.
2023? Like, is the trend trending one direct? Like, I'm assuming data centers and AI like
Yeah, yeah.
is a big uptick in demand. But yeah, tell us a little bit about like what you're seeing in the lay of the land out there in the market.
Yeah, I think it's growing, I guess, everywhere, not really into one direction, but the areas that you were talking about, the AI and the data center is one of them.
Hmm.
Especially in Texas, we're seeing a lot of project like that. And California, because of net metering,
Hmm.
the new program, the NEM3, also we stimulating a lot of projects and customers to install battery for CNI buildings.
Factories,
Yeah.
distribution centers, things like that.
Yeah. Yeah, and we are also seeing a lot of more, I guess, increasing demand for 4-hour duration battery. Well, in the past, it's mostly 2 hours. I
Mhm.
guess it's also related to the backup power requirements in case if the grid goes out or there's power outage. You can utilize the battery provide power, kind of like a microgrid application, especially for critical buildings, right? Critical loads like hospitals, data center. Those usually require a uninterrupted power.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're seeing a lot of different projects like that as well. And of course, the EV plus storage, we see car dealership installing batteries. And in fact, we've installed one of them last year in California for car dealership. So this is the new products, and we have liquid cooling and air cooling combined in this.
Mhm.
Liquid cooling for the battery packs, and then air cooling for the PCS. So it's a
Mhm.
mixed cooling technology, and again, it's modular design, pretty simple.